need milk. It's already poured. You need 1 scoop of sugar and the frozen strawberries and the frozen banana and also cinnamon and that one. I don't know what it is. Vanilla. And that's all you need. And the lid. And the other lid so I can drink it. And that's all. Guess I have to do it with my hand. That's stuck. Now I got it. Mellow splash. And now some strawberries. 1 and 2. And it's stuck. There. Now I got 1. And the red. Now 1 scoop of sugar. Not too much, just a poquito. Just a poquito. That's a poquito. There. Now I'm going to put it right back in. Now I'll put the lid. Now sprinkle cinnamon. Now, what? Can you pour it in the lid for me, please? Thank you, Mom. That's too much. Mom, that's too much. You put too much. A little bit. Or should this taste good? Now, this is my shake, Daddy. There. Now, since I'm done with these ingredients, I'm gonna press this button and then. All done. Now I just need to twist it. Twist it this way or this way. Twist it this way. Now I need to open this up, but it's on too tight. Can't open it. Can you open it, please, Daddy? Let's see if it's right. Thank you. Tastes good. Okay, I'm done.